Managing multiple WhatsApp conversations, whether they're from group chats or one-on-one interactions, can quickly become overwhelming. Important updates often get lost in lengthy threads. Let's take this one-on-one conversation as an example. Instead of scrolling through the entire chat, you can easily click on the AI button right here. Choose the time period for which you want to generate the summary. The AI will then instantly provide you with a clear summary of the conversation, highlighting key points and important updates. If you need something more specific, just type your prompt in this field. Let's use this prompt as an example, and then simply click Generate. The AI will analyze the chat and deliver exactly what you're looking for, whether it's pending actions, confirmations, or key decisions. Stay on top of every conversation without missing what matters. Thank you.